So this video is a tutorial for all your counter and tabletop surfaces. So today we have a tabletop here. The first thing that we need to do is to protect the surrounding area. The second thing that is most important that we need to actually do as well is to scuff up the surface. So this is to have a better bond between the substrate and the metallic epoxy system. So for our first layer will actually be our primer sealer layer, which is also a 2:1 mixing ratio. So this layer is to prevent any outgassing or moisture to escape the substrate. We have the option for our primer in black or white depending on what base color you have planned for. Remember to apply it as thinly as possible so you do not need to wait for an extended period before your next layer. So after we applied the primer, we waited about an hour or so to make sure that the surface is not so tacky anymore. After which you should be able to apply our second layer, which is our metallic epoxy. Right, so this is a 2:1 mixing ratio. So for today's tutorial design, we'll be using the following colors: hot pink, baby pink, liquid gold and pearl white. A quick tip: before mixing part A and part B of the metallic epoxy together, you should pre-mix the colors onto part A first. Right, so this gives you more working time before you add the part B inside. Should your counter surface have any unevenness, cracks or seams, we would recommend applying our self-leveling layer in white or black to even out the surface first. Do remember to use isopropyl alcohol 91% or higher to mist the surface to clear any bubbles formed. Okay, we are back here the next day and the result of the tabletop is absolutely amazing, right? So what we're going to do now is we are going to do a little bit of sanding onto the surface to actually remove some of the dirt and do a little bit of touch-ups on the sides as well of the table. So our top protective coating is a 3:1 mixing ratio, whereby we'll be adding our matting agent into part A first before adding part B inside, right? So let's get started. Always ensure that the surface is free from any bumps or foreign particles by sanding before application. Do a thorough cleanup after that. For a more detailed top coat application tutorial, you may view our video on how to apply it properly as well. So we have finally come to the end of the countertop installation tutorial video, and this is what you should be expecting to have on your counters with our products.